going to talk about on my show today is I'm going to do a 2015 movie review of what I just watched on Tubi today. The Dog Who Saved Summer. And yes, it is a family film. And my opinion review and thoughts of what I think about this family film, The Dog Who Saved Summer, that I think the cast had a lot of bad acting performances in this film, and I think this movie had a little bit of humor moments in the film, but not that much. And the only thing I will give a free pass that I think Zeus the dog and also other dogs in the film, I think they're a lot cuter, and I also like the dog characters in this film. Again, that's just in my honest opinion. And for me, when I first watched it for my first time on Tubi, I never heard about this title before. But you know what? It could also be kid friendly. And yes, it could also be a fun family film to watch too. And for me, I just think it was just decent and just okay. And for me, I'll probably just give this movie a 5 out of 10 stars because it's not perfect, but not great either. And I would maybe recommend this film maybe more for younger and older kids to like. And would I recommend it like for teenagers and adults to watch too? I would say maybe, but not that much. And again, that's just in my honest opinion. And I think, again, also in my honest opinion, I think it might have been like a direct to DVD or maybe just a limited time at the theaters. That's just in my opinion. And make sure to comment below and just be honest. What did you think of this family film, The Dog Who Saved Summer, and why? And again, just be honest what you thought about this family film. And for me, I'm just gonna give it thumbs down. I meant, would I ever rewatch it again? No, not really. I meant if I was an uncle and if I had like a little nephew or niece, then I would have no problem introducing them to this movie, but not yet. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to click like on the bottom below. Don't forget to hit the bell for more notifications. And don't forget to subscribe too. And that's all for my show today, and see you next time.